We are in Battambang and we are trying to understand how the bamboo train works. And the guy just heard us and are just explaining to us. Let's go and have a look. So we just started and the guy in front of us already had the train stopped. We didn't really get why, but now we are getting off the train, probably because there is another train coming up on the other side. Oh. You just scratched my foot. So we had a couple of trains pass in front of us, and now we are back on our train. Oh. Just get off for the second time in a row, letting other people go. So well, since we are waiting here for a while because there are other trains coming up, I can try to explain you how that works. So there is these pieces of train, just like the kind of wheels of the train, and just a platform made of bamboo. And all of this consists in putting the wheels down, the platform on it, and just with a little engine and connecting them, and you just go. It's like, feels fun and feels absolutely one of the most unsafe things I've ever done it before. And I did a lot of unsafe things before. Overall it's fun. Let's see if we can try to not spending our day pulling the platform up and down all the time. The guys here are having a lot of fun, apparently. Throwing rocks. We are at the first stop, official stop, and is inside a little village. It's not really a village, it's just a few shops where people kind of force you to buy things. Like, please sit down, buy, even if you don't want to actually buy anything. But it's quite characteristic, I have to say. How did you find it, guys?
Very cold.
Yeah. Did you feel unsafe? Because to me it felt massively unsafe.
Really? Sorry.